Welcome to our new series Indian Meal Prep, where we're sharing recipes which are high protein Indian vegetarian recipes that actually taste good. Today we're going to show you how to make our red lentil curry. This is packed with 16 grams of protein per serving. So to start off with, in a large pan we're going to add some sunflower oil along with our spices. You want to leave this to saute for a few minutes to really let the flavour develop. Then you want to go in with 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Give that all a quick mix, but be careful because the ginger paste can splatter a little bit. Once that's sauteed, we're going to go in with the rest of our spices. So we're going to add some chilli powder, turmeric powder, ground cumin and garam masala. Again, give that all a really good mix and leave that to saute for 1 to 2 minutes. This really gives a chance for the flavour to develop. Once your spices have sauteed, you're going to go in with 1 red pepper which we've chopped into cubes. Adding the red pepper adds a crunch to the curry and it really adds some more flavour and texture to the curry. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and give that all a really good mix. Once that's sauteed for a few minutes, you're going to go in with 300 grams of red lentils which have been washed and drained, along with 2 tins of chopped tomato and 1 tin of water. Don't worry if the lentils have stuck together after you've washed and drained them. When you lightly press them it will start to fall apart and then you can mix it all into the tomato and water mix. Once that's all nicely mixed through, you can add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix that in. Once that's all mixed through, you're going to cover this and leave it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. The best thing about red lentils is they cook very quickly, which makes this a perfect weeknight dinner. After 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to add a small bunch of methi to our red lentil curry and then give it all a really good mix. To add more creaminess to the curry, we're also going to go in with 2 tablespoons of single cream and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Again, mix that all in really well. Want more high protein Indian recipes like this, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And it really is that easy. You've got a delicious high protein red lentil curry that's not only packed with nutrients but bursting with flavour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our next video.